Hey everyone, welcome back to Corporate Decoder. Today, ALLR just filed an 8K about a recent news announcement, and I am seeing something interesting about their research progress. Quick note, this is not financial advice, just my take on public filings for educational purposes. This filing really highlights a key event in their ongoing effort to develop new treatments. Alright, let's dive into what Allarity Therapeutics Inc. has put out there. This filing is an 8K, which essentially means a company is reporting a significant event that shareholders should know about. It is dated the 18th of June 2026, but the actual event being reported happened a few days later. The main point of this filing under item 8.01 other matters is Allarity Therapeutics' announcement about presenting at a conference. Specifically on the 22nd of June 2026, they announced they presented a trial in progress poster at the ESMO Gynaecological Cancers Congress 2026. This conference was held in Copenhagen, Denmark, from the 17th of June to the 19th. Now, what does a trial in progress poster actually mean for a company like Allarity, which is in the biotechnology space? Think of a conference like this as a major gathering for doctors, researchers, and pharmaceutical companies focused on specific diseases, in this case, gynecological cancers. Presenting a poster like this is a way for the company to share early and ongoing results of their clinical trials with the scientific community. It is a way to get feedback, network with potential collaborators, and keep people updated on their research and development progress. For investors, this can be a signal that the company is actively moving its research forward and engaging with the scientific world. Looking at some of the recent headlines, Allarity Therapeutics has been in the news quite a bit lately. There was a headline on the 18th of June about their earnings forecast, and another on the 22nd of June specifically mentioning them showcasing their phase 2 stenoparib ovarian cancer trial at the ESMO Congress. K filing essentially confirms and documents that news release. The filing also gives us some standard corporate information. We see Allarity Therapeutics Inc. is incorporated in Delaware and has a commission file number and an IRS employer identification number. This is the kind of procedural information you find on many corporate filings. It also lists their publicly traded securities, their common stock, with a par value of $0.001 per S-share. Trades on the Nasdaq stock market under the ticker symbol ALLR. This is the stock that most investors are watching. We also see that Allarity Therapeutics is checking the box to be considered an emerging growth company. This designation comes with certain regulatory benefits, like being able to opt out of extended transition periods for new financial accounting standards. This often applies to smaller, younger companies still growing their operations and financial reporting systems. The date mentioned in the filing as the date of earliest event reported, is the 18th of June 2026. However, the actual announcement about the conference presentation was made on the 22nd of June 2026, and the conference itself ran from the 17th of June to the 19th of June. This slight discrepancy is common in filings where the report is prepared to cover a more significant announcement or event. The press release they are attaching, Exhibit 99.1, is dated the 18th of June 2026, which seems to be the date of the announcement that is being filed. The filing references an attached press release as Exhibit 99.1. This press release is the actual source of the information about the conference presentation. It is common practice to attach press releases to 8K filings to provide the full context of the announcement. Finally, the report is signed by Thomas H. Jensen, who is listed as the Chief Executive Officer. This signature signifies that the company's leadership is aware of and responsible for the information being reported to the Securities and Exchange Commission. So, what is the bigger picture here for ALLR? This filing, though simple, points to the company actively participating in major scientific conferences. This is a positive sign for a biotech firm as it showcases their commitment to research and development and their engagement with the broader medical community. While this specific filing doesn't contain financial numbers, it is a piece of the ongoing narrative about their progress with potentially life-saving treatments. The market often reacts to such announcements as they can signal future developments or partnerships. The risk I am watching is how quickly these research advancements translate into tangible clinical results and ultimately commercial success. What I am actually looking for is the data from those trials. Oh, and the research tools I actually use are linked in the description. They help keep this channel going. That is my take. Stay decoded. If you found this breakdown helpful, please like this video, subscribe for more, and join our Discord community linked in the description.